So I'm just about to ship a pack. I'm going to pack it first before I ship it. This guitar I have, so I figured I'd do a quick just sound demonstration and information for the new owner, just in general. It's just as good for me as it is for you. I appreciate when you're buying things online and you're already seeing a listing. It's quite good to hear, which is why I like selling them at the guitar shows, to be honest. So nice red box. I am not even going to attempt that name, but it's a nice shiny gold label. We've got a Thu Ash neck, hand profiled for slick playability, man. Like, this one's super nice. Bolt nut bridge, internal spring reverb, piezo, pickup, ready to go for plug and play. So this one's got a super beastly sound plugged in, honestly. I've been having so much fun for like the past hour and not packing it. But it's got a nice like deep sound to it. Yes, anyway, I just thought I'd do a quick, short demonstration before packing it. It's turned into an hour of me just jamming on this thing, so I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. As I said before, any questions, get in touch. We've had such positive responses at the guitar shows and on Etsy, so just keep asking me questions. Like, I really, as much as I love selling these things, I like talking about them as well. And generally I'll probably be able to point you in the right direction. If I don't know something, I'll point you to the right person, basically. But yeah, so it's finds you well. Thanks again for your purchase, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one.